All right, let us compare S3 Select and Athena because these services seem to do the same thing, or they appear to do the same thing, but they actually don't, and they serve different use cases. So let's clear that up. So let's talk about the scope, the use case, the query complexity, the supported formats, integrations. There's definitely other things that we can compare, but again, I just want to make sure you understand at a high level the difference between these two things. The first is scope. So S3 Select is for querying the contents of a single S3 object, whereas Athena queries across multiple S3 objects and buckets in one shot. For use case, this is for getting a slice of data of a larger file, which is kind of interesting because we can use the range header to get a part of a file, but this one, S3 Select, is obviously more intelligent than that. Athena is more like for ad hoc analysis. Maybe you want to leverage it with a business intelligence tool like Amazon QuickSight, and it's usually focused on larger data sets. For query complexity, S3 Select has very simple SQL expressions where Athena can support things like joins and window functions and other things. For supported formats, S3 Select is just CSV, JSON, and Parquet, whereas Athena has also Arvo, I want to say Avro, but Arvo and Orc. For integrations, S3 doesn't really directly integrate with other services. You're just supposed to use it programmatically, where Athena has a lot of synergies between AWS Analytics services like AWS Glue. It has an AWS console UI, so you can just write the queries in place. You can obviously do things programmatically, but it's just a lot easier to use. So yeah, hopefully that is clear. That one is for a single object and one is for querying multiple objects, and it's more of like a data analysis or data tool. There you go.